The sauce really tastes like smoked barbecue. It's really good. So first of all, we're gonna make a French fry. So peel off the skin of the potato and cut the bottom edges so it can stand. And cut it vertically. You want to make a lean potato chip. So once you cut the potato, you wash it off with water and drain the water. You touch it with a paper towel. Soak out water with a kitchen towel very carefully so you don't break it. You do the first deep fry of French fry. Fry for 1 or 2 minutes and take it out. Drain oil and add 1 tablespoon of starch and put it into the freezer for 30 minutes. So while your potato is getting freezed, let's make sauces for the hamburger. We'll make a barbecue sauce. The ingredients: a quarter of onion and 1 clove of garlic. So you finely chop the garlic and onion. On heated pan, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and toss in the onion and garlic and stir, mix it well. You add 1 tablespoon of paprika powder. It gives you this plain flavor. And you add cider vinegar, ketchup, and oyster sauce in ratio of 1 to 1 to 1. Finally, toss in some salt and pepper and stir well until the sauce gets thicker. And the sauce will be great. Next, so let's make the patty. 1 shallot and 1 bacon. I chopped it. With the oil on a pan, I pan fry the onion and bacon. Fry until the bacon gets crispy and also add the paprika powder. And for the patty, on this video I had a ground meat. You can also use ground pork or a mixture of ground pork and meat. Toss in some salt and pepper. Mix it with the cooked bacon and shallot. So you roll the ground beef in a ball type. A ball in your palm will be good enough for 1 patty. So on a heated pan, you put the olive on and you gently press patty with your flipper. I hit it 2 minutes on each side. As you can see on the video, I got a little burnt. I recommend you cook under 2 minutes on each side. Now your patties are cooked and it's hot. Place the cheddar cheese on top of it. The cheese will melt down. On a heated pan, you get a slice of butter. You gently put the buns on it. Be careful on temperature. The bun will be easily get burned. Now you place your patty on a bun along with the cheese. Place a slice of tomato on top of it along with the lettuce and spread the sauce on top and your burger is ready to serve. So you pull out the frozen potato and you do the second deep fry. It took me about 7 minutes to fry the potato. it will very depend on the condition. So deep fry your potato until the color turns to golden brown. You drain oil, mix it with salt and pepper as you like, and I spread some parsley on top of it. Frankly saying, it's not good as a franchise potato, but it is really hefty taste. And the hamburger was perfect. So I hope you try this at home with your family and friends. Thank you. See you next time.